Another stock where we are focusing on the short side is BHEL. Sharp supply in today's session, and short built up is there. Looking at the breakdown on the near term chart, we believe that if it's sustained below 286 level, we could see further more down move towards 272 to 270 zone.
BHEL, we are seeing a sharp, downtick coming in the stocks. The stock is down 8% in the trade. Media reports are suggesting that India is planning to allow Chinese firms for power projects, and that's why, BHEL is seeing a kind of a beating in the trade. Now, India plans to scrap these curbs on the Chinese firms bidding for the government contracts. And interestingly, as per media reports, a high-level committee headed by former Cabinet Secretary Rajiv Gauba has also recommended using these restrictions. So, of course, this is a negative development coming in for the stock, and it's nosediving. It's down 8% in the trade as well. Samir, your views on this? It's a very interesting development coming in, but a big negative for BHEL.
So I'm all in favor of allowing international companies to operate in India, because what it does is it kind of helps you in getting better pricing. But unfortunately, here we are working on like an inverse kind of a structure where you put an import duty on steel prices, which is a raw material to a large extent for a lot of the things that BHEL buys for its making its unit, and then you're allowing imports to come in of the finished product. So it kind of hurts the overall prospects for companies that do this kind of business. So either you scrap import duty altogether, or you levy it across the board. But if this news is to be believed and it's true, of course, companies like BHEL and all the others that are doing power equipment manufacturing or even downstream of many other products, if they start opening them up, would stand to lose. Now, is it going to happen? Most probably it's not. There's a lot of noise right now in the market on a lot of things. But I don't think the government is going to allow imports from China. They will be allowed with certain conditions, restrictions, maybe tie-ups with domestic companies. So we need to see what comes out. Just to react on a news article, fundamentally, that's not how we do our business.